Good morning! Kagising lang namin ni Suyo, guys. Ayan si Suyo. Naglalaro na. At ako naman ay maglalaba. Ang dalawa ay wala dito. Nagpaalam sila sa akin kanina. Ayan, labahin ko, guys. Oh. Ay, nako. Nagpaalam sa akin yung dalawa kanina na maglaro sa labas. So, pinayagan ko na. Dahil nilinis nila ang kanilang bathroom. Ayan. Yung mga towels, kuhanin ko muna. Kasi lalabahan ko. Basta, linisin nila yung yung gawaing bahay. Basta, ginawa nila yung kanilang gawaing bahay. Okay ako. Maglaro sila sa labas. Hanggang 5:30 lang. Pero pag hindi malinis yung kanilang bedroom at saka yung bathroom nila, yan. Kailangan lang, maglinis bago maglaro. At kung hindi nila nililinis, ay hindi sila makapaglaro. Oh my goodness. Samantha's mirror, guys, oh. Agoy. Maraming maraming hand mark, finger mark. Mamaya to. Hindi ko kasi chinek eh. Pag hindi ko yan chinek, talagang mayroong maiiwan. Hindi talaga perfect. I mean, hindi naman sa perfect, yung hindi lahat na nalilinisan. Kay Shelton naman, yung kanya, nag-vacuum siya. Tapos nilinis na medyo, hindi naman perfect pagkalinis, pero mamaya, ipapaulit ko to. Kasi nagmamadali sila, guys, maglaro. Tapos meron pa siyang tutupiin dyan, oh. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung closet ni Shelton. Ayan. Magulo na naman. Nalinis ko na to last week. Pag hindi ko binisita yung kanilang kanilang bedrooms, ganito ang mangyayari. Oh, Shelton is student of the month also. Oh, hindi pala. Nung September pa pala to. Last year pa pala to. Kaya talagang dapat double check ko. Hindi ko double check kasi tinamad ako. Sa higaan pa ako. So ngayon muna ay maglalaba muna tayo. Kasi marami tayong labahin. Ready na kami, guys. Kasi mayroong cheer dance si Sam for basketball halftime. So sayaw sila doon. Ayan siya, oh. Hinihintay lang namin si asawa. Kasi hindi pa siya ready. Sa St. George sila intermediate Sam. Intermediate in St. George. Basketball halftime sila magsasayaw. So, ito pala yung binigay ni asawa sa akin, guys. Ayan, flowers for Valentine's Day. Tapos, meron pa siyang gift sa akin na earrings. Nasa taas, hindi ko siya isusuot kasi nga, doon lang naman kami sa sa school. Hindi ko muna siya isusuot. Next time ko na siya isusuot, guys. So, ayan, ang cute ng flowers na binigay ni asawa sa akin. So, aalis na kami, guys. Naghintay na sila sa akin. Nagsapatos pa kasi ako. Ito yung jacket ni Sawyer at tubig. Malamig ngayon, Sasakay na nga lang ako. Wala klaro yung weather namin dito, guys. Mainit. Tapos malamig. What? Hold on! Sit down first. Ginoo ko. Nuna mo pa yung ano mo dong iPad mo. Kaysa you gonna sit
Here.
Uy! Bad boy.
Hala, mommy call you dad.
Bad boy. Don't do that. Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop copying you.
Andito kami guys, nag-stop
No, I want
by sa ano, Starbucks. Wala pa kami almusal guys, kaya kape muna. Do you like it? Oh, why you smell it? Smells good.
I want the chocolate one.
Oh, sorry. Daddy
They didn't have it.
didn't have the chocolate.
I like the strawberry better because it's not.
I know I have a cracker in here.
You have to ask him.
She did ask him, I thought.
No. She tried to take a bite and then she asked him after. Let's have a baby bite.
Ay, may Skyflex ako.
I'm hungry. Why is that police scared?
Skyflex.
Straws.
Is that mine? Yeah, it's mine.
He's not chasing me.
Hold on. Thank you.
Mine is cookie crumble.
Mm.
It's so fast when it's
Mobile ordering?
yeah.
Yeah, because they get it beforehand.
Yeah.
You can
Okay.
always do mobile order on your phone and then go, Mommy, here's your straws.
So we're heading now to St. George's.
No, we're gonna drop off Samantha first. It's Dixie.
It's in St. George's where
It's
she's
a
going.
Dixie Intermediate.
Mm-hmm.
I've been past there 1,000 times, but
You know
I
where
couldn't
it is?
tell you how to get there, but I will figure it out.
Yan yung outfit ni Sam.
This looks just like my school.
Huh?
This looks just like my school.
Yeah. Shelton and Daddy is in the back. It's not there, I think. I saw them here. Cold in the shade. Ayan si Sam. Cute. Yan guys, tapos na ang games.
Yes.
Tapos na sila sa Manta guys. Hindi pala sila
At the gas station.
nagpagsayaw sa halftime. Nag-cheer lang sila today. Nandito kami sa gas station kasi nga paubos na pala yung gas ko. Ayan, dito kami sa St. Clair. Naglagay ng gas si asawa. May nadaanan kami guys, accident ko.
Look at all of the ambulance.
Ayan.
Oh, the airbags went off. Holy moly.
Oh.
Ooh, sure did.
Kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay guys. Tapos mamaya kami magdi-dinner. Maaga pa naman, alas 3 pa naman. So, babalik kami at mag-dinner sa labas. Meron pa akong coffee sa lips sa ano ko. Pisngi ko.
Whose is this?
Don't show it, Greg. Don't show it that one because,
Open it.
yeah,
I'm sure.
nakita niyo yung kayong gift ko. Mamaya na kami mag-dinner. Mga 5 ganun. Kasi maaga pa, alas 3 pa. Hinihintay pa namin si asawa guys dahil meron siyang ginawa doon sa sa St. George. Tapos mag-dinner na kami. Ayan si Suyo. Uy! Yutot!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Tumawa ka pa dong.
Like this time. Like this time.
Oh,
Where's my boy?
andito kami guys sa Golden Coral ngayon. Ito kami kakain ng dinner. Let's go guys. naman so. Ginising namin si Sawyer. Kaling siya nagnap. Si Sam. Papasok na muna kami, guys. Water and diet, I want Diet Coke.
Oh, you want Diet Coke? Okay. Oh, don't put this over here.
Yummy? That's yummy? Hot? Still hot?
After I eat this, I'm gonna get some
Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Umihi pa si asawa. Sobrang busog ko. Grabe. Pauwi na kami. Gusto ko sanang pumunta ng TJ Maxx. Kaya lang, tinatamad na ako. Kasi kanina pa kaming tanghali lumabas. Tinamad ako, guys. Ayaw kong pumunta ng TJ Maxx. Did you fold your cloud shells? Naku, ayan na naman. Oh. Puno na naman yung kanyang basura. Talaga naman. Di pa talaga nalinis.